So guys, I boiled this rice. I parboiled this rice, and I noticed that it will not be enough for us. I have to, because I told my daughter to measure rice. I don't know if the rice she measure is complete though. I have to start parboiling another one so that I can add it together with it and cook the final cooking. Understand? That is what is going on here. And this too. So guys, and this stew I'm making is crayfish. Understand? Have you ever tasted crayfish stew? It's always sweet though. It is sweet. It is sweet. When you never get that money to go buy maybe fish or meat, try crayfish. It will give you that jollof vibe in your mouth. Understand? And me, I like, instead of me cooking jollof rice, maybe not that I cook it. I like everybody. It depends how the spirit lead to cook at that moment. You understand? Because we Africans would always listen to our spirit. Once it comes to cooking, hey, you will give attention to that the gods of the land to know what the gods of the land will whisper for you. So so at times, instead of me to cook that jollof rice, maybe when I notice that maybe the tomatoes will not be enough, will not catch that rice, understand, to be enough, I always boil it to white rice, then use the tomatoes, cook it stew, either with crayfish or anything. It will give you that amazing taste. You will even say, I don't know that this thing will come out like this. So you get it? So I'll talk to you when I'm done cooking. You get it? So that we can all join together and eat our food, our Saturday food. Hello.
Fashion designer. Everybody want it up. Nobody want the. Everybody want the sharp. No hand won't fall. Cover your yeah. To make it, you must package yourself. Oh. Everybody's managing. Everything is packaging. Everybody wants to have the best in life. Oh. If you
So guys, here are the available stuff that I'm using to make this food. These fresh tomatoes, just 3 tomatoes that I have, the one I remained yesterday. Here is my pepper and the crayfish pound together. You got it? Here is egg, the left egg, the only egg I have in this house. And this is the sachet. I think 3 is there. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 tomatoes. And here is scent leaf, because I need to put scent leaf to give it another flavor and taste. You understand? Here's our plantain already sliced. My rice is there. It's done already. Let's dive in.
It's victory, the one and only. What's up? They got this thing. No, no, no. Pack. No, we did like this. Like this. Well, we get like this. What?
Come on, go straight so he be home. Gotta give me a lighter.
Okay, mommy.
Penta say no be penta, oh, na interior decorator. Tailor say no be tailor, oh, na fashion designer. Everybody want it up, nobody want the. Everybody want the sharp, no hand won't fall. Cover your yeah. To make it, you must package yourself. Oh. Everybody's managing, everything is packaging. Everybody wants to have the best in life. Oh. If you show yourself, nobody go look your side itself. So don't mind the damaging, just keep on packaging. Everybody's managing, everything is packaging. Everybody wants to have the best in life. Oh. If you show yourself, nobody go look your side itself. So don't mind the damaging, just keep on packaging. Everybody's managing, everything is packaging. Everybody wants to have the best in life. Oh. If you show yourself, nobody go look your side itself. So don't mind the damaging, just keep on packaging. Everybody's managing, everything is packaging. Everybody wants to have the best in life. Oh, if you show yourself, nobody go look your side itself. So don't mind the damaging, just keep on packaging. Everybody's managing, everything is packaging. Everybody wants to have the best in life. Oh, if you show yourself, nobody go look your side itself.
So guys, we are still cooking our food. I'm outside. Can you see? My firewood, since gas think I will not eat. I've shown guys that I'm a village woman. You get it? that with gas or no gas, food must be ready. You get it? So our food is ready. I've finished preparing the stew. Now I'm frying plantain this hot afternoon with firewood. So I hope you have liked our video. Please like our video and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Don't forget to see that chicks on the building, you know, said. So hope you're enjoying the video. You understand, because with or without gas, food must be ready. The children of God must eat. The children of God must eat. Get it? Because there shall be no hunger in our land, in our home. So hope you're enjoying the video. Please give us a thumbs up. If you have watched it to this extent and you have not subscribed, please do it to subscribe also. Subscribe for us, show us that love. And I think I'll end this video here. I don't know how long this video has gone, but anyway, I will end this video here and I'll talk to you all in my next video, because the next clip you are going to be seeing is us eating. You get it? I'm just frying plantain here. Hope you enjoy our video. You enjoy the vlog, this afternoon vlog. This is weekend Saturday vlog, Saturday's video, to show you how our life has been. My plantain is burning. So talk to you all later. Bye. Kisses on your cheeks. Hey, Sylvia Reality will say, "Sham." Hey, Unique Grace will say, "You get to love us. You got like, yeah, you understand? So you get to love Adachus." Adachus in the building. Bye.
Sunday, the 11th of May, 12 p.m.
Check the year exams. 19.
And you're sitting here and sulking. Oh, come on. Let's go, sweetie.